Hi everyone, so I just wanted to show you something really exciting. So one of my students suggested that he wants to know how to create this hand mixer product, the perfect example of surface modeling and plasticity use case. And I'm practicing right now, and this product will be available in our Plasticity Accelerator membership. First link in the description, step by step. But what I've just noticed, so I was experimenting with the patch and the new xNURBS. So here you see, right, so we have here this main body, and now we have this big hole, and yeah, it's a little bit hard to get the right angle here, but this is this piece here, right? So I've prepared everything already, and now I wanted to patch it first just to see what happens, and let's do this together. So we will select all of those boundary edges, and now I will patch it, and I need here G1, 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 and here we have a hard edge. So as you also see here in the product, you see we have here everywhere a really hard chamfer, so really beautiful detail. We get this result. And you might think, oh, okay, that's good. But if we go here, you see sometimes when we have like very complicated patches like this one, we often get like this weird bumps, right? And it's just not what we want. So, I mean, it's not a problem at all, because what I would do and what I will do in the Plasticity Accelerator tutorial, so everyone can follow along, so you don't need xNURBS, I will split it into two pieces, and then we don't have any problems. But just let me show to you what will happen with xNURBS. So if I activate xNURBS and I go again edge by edge and like that, and here we can G1 and give G1. So I'm not going even into G2. So here we have G1, right? And I'm not playing with any of the settings. And let's see what we get. So if we join everything, you see it's exactly what we need. And we don't have any bumps. And look, we have such a beautiful curve. And now I'm starting to understand like this whole xNURBS thing. So yes, obviously, it's not, you will not get this surface just magically, right? So of course, here you see it's already, so the input, how I prepared everything, right? So the handle here at the top, the body, the chamfer. So it's literally, guys, I don't know, but it's perfect, right? So it's a very high quality input. And then once we decide to xNURB that, xNURB kind of knows already what we want to do. So it's just more smarter maybe than patch in some examples again. So I've tried both. And also if we check like zebras, yeah, it's beautiful. Guys, look, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't like here this bottom, but no, look, it's absolutely beautiful. So again, a huge thing which speaks for xNURBS. So I'm really excited. And yeah, I just wanted to show it to you. And if you want to learn how to create this whole product, you can subscribe to our Plasticity Accelerator membership, where I post monthly long exclusive tutorials on products, appliances, and like this kind of stuff, and explain everything step by step so every beginner can follow along. Yeah, if you just want to watch my YouTube tutorials, then leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss them. And I wish you a nice day. Bye.